Hello, my name is Matt Fleming. I work at the Hydrologic Engineering Center, and this is the overview of the plotting capabilities in DSSVue presentation. In the plotting capabilities presentation, the objective is to learn about plotting capabilities in DSSVue. We're going to go over how plots can be created, how you select data, and then how you open a plot. We'll talk about different components within a plot, and then how to customize the plots and use templates so that you can create a plot that looks exactly like the template that you created. And then we'll go over scripts and how you can use scripts to create plots as well. There's going to be 4 sections in this presentation: creating plots, plotting components, customizing the plots, and scripting capabilities. And finally, if you have more questions, there are 3 links on this slide that show you additional resources that you can find. The first one is a user's manual that you can go to for HEC-DSSVue. The second link takes you to a discourse page, and you can find on the discourse page different questions that have been asked about HEC-DSSVue and the different capabilities. And if you want to ask a question, then you can create an account and ask that question, and the community will answer it for you. And then finally, the last link on the slide shows you different training options for HEC-DSSVue. Specifically, it's going to take you to a course page, one of our training courses, and you can access all of the PowerPoint presentations, videos, and links to hands-on workshops.